Hi, I am Kristen Dugas. I'm in charge of crafts for the holiday show here at Krohn Conservatory. We have a free craft we will be giving out. The first 100 visitors will get a free Krohn postcard craft to take home in a bag like this. So you'll find in your bag a blank Krohn Conservatory postcard and a bag of shapes. Today I will show you some tips and examples on how to turn your blank Krohn Conservatory postcard into a wintertime scene like this. On the back of your Krohn Conservatory postcard craft, you'll find a cute stamp and a little line in the middle to illustrate that this is a postcard. You may mail it if you want, but we thought it would be just a fun token for you to keep as a memory from your visit at Krohn Conservatory this holiday season. So what you'll need to create your Krohn postcard craft is a glue stick or glue and a pair of scissors. The next step is taking your shapes and gluing them onto the postcard. You can get very creative in creating a wonderful wintertime scene. Be one of the first 100 visitors to Krohn Conservatory to receive your free take-home craft, and we cannot wait to see you here at Krohn for a very merry garden holiday.